Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Top 3 changes to expect this year. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 launches on August 9th at the company's Unpacked event in New York. Ahead of official debut, we are seeing more leaks around the next generation Note device. Do not expect many changes on the design front, as the phone is said to feature the same 18.5:9 aspect ratio display that we saw on its predecessor Galaxy Note 8. However, reports suggest that fingerprint sensor could be repositioned below the dual rear camera lens, and the new phone could include an additional camera shutter button as well. According to a Bloomberg report, the Galaxy Note 9 could come with improved cameras when compared to its predecessor Galaxy Note 8. The S Pen could be the big highlight, and the accessory will support Bluetooth. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 will mark a comeback of the Note series, which is typically known for its good battery backup. Reports hint at a 4,000 mAh battery. Expect Samsung Galaxy Note 9 to ship with upgraded cameras. The 12MP plus 12MP dual camera setup with dual OIS will also include variable aperture feature that we saw on the Galaxy S9 series. To give a perspective, Galaxy S9 comes with dual f/1.5 and f/2.4 aperture feature, which helps with better low light photos. The back cameras will be aligned horizontally. Thanks to dual OIS, the bokeh feature will also be supported. Official details are yet to be revealed by the company.